Hello students, now we are going to discuss a problem from JEE Main 2008 and this is a question from the chapter chemical bonding. So the question says which one of the following pairs of the species have the same bond order. So we have given four options in which we have given two species in each option. So from the first option we can see that NO plus and CN plus and followed by CN minus and NO plus, like that. So we have to find which of the following option will have same bond order for the both the species. So in order to solve this question, we will use the concept of molecular orbital theory to calculate its bond order of the molecule. So now let's proceed for the concepts. As from the concept we can see that bond order is given as this, which is number of bonding electron minus number of anti-bonding electron divided by 2. So this will gives us bond order. So now we will calculate the bond order for the each of the options. So after doing molecular orbital theory and electronic configuration according to that, so we calculated that NO plus will have bond order of 3. From this formula we can conclude that, right? Similarly for the O2 minus, which has a bond order of 1.5, also CN plus, which has a bond order of 2, NO plus, which has a bond order of 3. So we have checked each and every species and we found that bond order of CN minus, which is coming as 3. So we have found that among each of the species we found that these two have same value of bond order. So this will be our correct pair of species which have same bond order. So now let's proceed for the correct option. So after calculating bond order of each species, we found that B is our correct option, which has species CN minus and NO plus, and these two species have bond order of 3. So this is our correct option for this question. Also we can practice some more question based on this topic here. We can also refer to the video of this topic, which is around of 2 or 3 minutes. Also we can refer to the book Chemistry 11 Part 1 of Chemistry, and this concept is on page number 129 and in line number 30. Similarly, we can follow some more books in order to clarify this concept further, and these books are Physical Chemistry by P. Bahadur, and this concept is on page number 477 and in line number 13. So thank you students.